A central system requires a central database, but buying, administering, and maintaining a central server can be quite an undertaking. That's why we developed LASTRADA Online, a private cloud version of LASTRADA where we take care of the servers, security, and maintenance for you, giving you a hassle-free installation. In this lightning demo, we'll show how LASTRADA Online comes configured and ready to use, making it easy for users to access, deploy, and start utilizing the software immediately. First, open your WatchGuard VPN. Log into your server with your username and password and hit connect. Once that's running, open up LASTRADA Online like you would any other program. Log on with your credentials, and once it's loaded, use your regular LASTRADA login, and LASTRADA opens up fully functional and ready to use. For more information on how to get LASTRADA Online up and running, visit the Customer Resource Center. In the LASTRADA Online Access section, you'll find the Setting Up and Using LASTRADA Online document and full procedure. The Customer Resource Center is also where you can go to get help with LASTRADA Online from our experienced engineers. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out other lightning demo videos at lastradapartners.com/resources or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.